Okay, so what we're up to is we need enough flat rocks that we can skip them. And you have to skip at least once, and then you have to hit the bird's ass. Okay, you ready for that?
Yep, we're ready.
Okay. Oh, no, it didn't even skip. Ooh. Check that out. Now that is a good skipping stone. If you screw up this skipping stone, then you're an idiot. Okay, give me some space, give me some space. Don't use up my oxygen, boy. I just want to go home. Hey, what's that? Yeah. Let's see if I can hit the bird's ass with the worm. Oh! Okay, this is it. Okay, we're into the big league now. I want a good sized rock. I found another worm. Hey, let's see if I can hit the bird's ass with this worm. I'm getting closer. You give me like 50 more worms, right on the bird's ass. Okay, I found another bird's worm. Okay. Ooh, see how close that was? That's like right, okay, worm, oh, here's another worm. I cannot believe how many plastic worms there are down on this beach. Okay, bird's ass, here I come, worm. I gotta relax. I'm too worked up about this, and I'm not concentrating. Okay, I need another worm. That's not a worm! Ah! I'm afraid that's it for worms, so we're just gonna have to sit here and wait till the worms float back in. Okay, so this is a good size rock. So, okay, look at the bird's ass, and then watch the bird's ass go flying in the air. Ooh! If that would have hit that bird's ass, then that guy would have been so screwed up. Okay. Jeez, that was close. I saw him move too. Well, I think he's becoming aware of our presence. So we're gonna have to just wait. We'll wait a few minutes, then we'll come back when he's relaxed. Look, you can see that the feathers are kind of ruffled, and yeah, he's getting worked up. Okay, so we'll come back in a few minutes.